Hey guys, for this quick margarita video, I'm going to be using some mango chunks. I wanted to use more, but I ran out of the bag. Some Jose Cuervo margaritas and the margarita mix from the Jose Cuervo brand thing. That name always messes me up, but I'm going to be using Ciroc as well, the pineapple flavor, and it's going to be 1 cup each. But for the red mix, I only had a little, so it wasn't a full cup, but it's still good the way it came out. I really been loving these drinks. We've been making them every day. They taste so good. We even tried it with the pineapple chunks and also some strawberry chunks. It tastes really good with the Captain Morgan as well. So now we're just going to be putting the ice. Make sure you blend it. We like it icy, so I put a lot of ice, not in the beginning, but when it's mixing, I just add it as I go. And this is a really good margarita to have. You can make it as strong or not as strong if you like. It's up to you, but we like it kind of medium. When I poured in my cup, when I drink some down, I put a little bit more alcohol in it because, you know, why not? We like to make a lot, so we could always go back for more. When we're done putting it in a cup, we just put it inside the freezer so that it's ready for round 2 or round 3, however many you want. By the end of the day, it's all gone anyways. Good morning, and that is how you start the morning off right.